It is not possible to upload a long video in the Facebook story. We can't upload videos more than 20 seconds or 26 seconds. Because of that, when we uploaded a meme of a funny video, it was dropped by more than half and people can't understand what does this video means. But don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload a long story on Facebook without any third-party application. To know it properly, don't skip this video. Okay, first of all, let me show what the problem is. Go to your Facebook and here tab on the story to add a new story post. Choose a video from the gallery. This video is 53 seconds. So, I'm going to add this in my story post. When I add this in my story, as you can see, there's a problem. Longer videos get shortened to 26 seconds, but you can trim them first. That means you can't upload videos for more than 26 seconds. So, now what do we have to do to fix this problem? Just go to the home screen, and you have to install the Messenger application on your mobile phone. Open Messenger application. Just open Chats to message someone. Tab on Add Media and select your video. Don't send this video, just tab on Edit. And here you will find an option, Your Story. Just tab on it and it will start to add in your story post. Let's check in on the story. It's still uploading. Okay, I have uploaded successfully. Now let's check it from another account.
सिलेंडर की जो है जी, अगर जो घर में किसी रसोई में किसी के पास ऐसी दुर्घटना घट जाए, ठीक है, इसके मैं दो मेथड के तरीके से आपको आगे बुझा के दिखाऊंगा। मेरे पास फर्स्ट एड के तौर पे ये बाल्टी है, इससे मैं इसका आपको ऑक्सीजन का कट ऑफ कर दिया जी, ये फायर हमारी कंट्रोल होगी। रबर लगाओ। दूसरा, हमारे पास घर की में रसोई के आसपास ये कोई भी गिल्ली बोरी हो, उससे भी इसको हम कंट्रोल करना। भाई सिलेंडर जा।
As you can see, the full video was uploaded to my story. Hope this video going to be very helpful for you. If you want to get more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thanks a lot for watching.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.